Hi everyone, welcome back to live sessions. It's been a long time since I have actually hosted a live session on Instagram, and it's a wonderful evening because Ganesh Ganpati Bappa has arrived. And happy Ganesh Chaturthi, first of all, to each and everyone over here. Um, with Lord Ganesha's blessings and auspicious blessings, I'm going to start this live session. A very, very interesting session with an interesting person. I've met him in person, face to face. He's one of the most enthusiastic, jovial, and extremely friendly people that I've met. He radiates a kind of energy, and for some reason, he never ages. That is one thing I've seen about him. We've seen him in Sarabhai versus Sarabhai. We've seen him in some humorous advertisements. We're going to talk about that later on. We've also witnessed his melodious voice because he's also a singer. He has explored that talent in that area of his so beautifully. He has explored that as well. There are a lot of things that we need to understand about this person, which makes him a multifaceted artist, and that is exactly what this session is all about. There are a lot of people who have a lot of talents, hidden talents, some talents they try to explore, they come out to the world. There are a lot of hidden talents which a lot of artists have, a lot of people have. But what makes a person multifaceted, multi-talented, we are going to learn through this special guest on my show tonight. So that's none other than Sumit Raghavan. And he'll be here now. It's an Instagram live session. And
Hi, hi,
hello,
Rohan.
how are you?
I'm very good. I'm very good. Okay,
Uh,
just a minute. Let me
yes.
just adjust this here. Hey. Okay, now this is the usual uh, problem
Off
uh,
mobile, right?
of mobile. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
All set.
Okay.
Ganpati
So have
Bappa
you been
Moria.
good?
Yes,
Ganpati
yes,
Bappa
yes.
More. Ganpati
Yes,
Bappa
yes.
More.
Amazing day to actually host this session because Ganpati Bappa is arriving home now.
Yeah, yeah,
Correct?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Though,
how have
though,
you
I
been?
mean, I just hope that he solves this biggest vigna, which is of this virus.
I know,
Hana?
I know, absolutely. I really feel that he should, and he will do it definitely. We want to wait and
Yeah.
watch. We want to wait and watch when the virus is going to be killed by Ganpati Bappa now very
I have
soon,
no
and
clue,
all of
yaar.
us can
I
step
just
out and meet Ganpati
seriously,
Bappa outside.
seriously. Just
Absolutely.
bored with the new normal of wearing a mask.
Absolutely, that is right. And we see a lot of art and talent in that because people have different kinds of masks these days. And
Exactly. Now, how do you? I mean, normally, actors like to throw their weight around. कि हाँ हाँ मुझे पहचान लेंगे यार कोई बात नहीं अभी कोई पहचानता ही नहीं है मास्क होता है ना तो
मास्क होता है, अभी मास्क की पहचान बन गई है. So people are going to recognize people because only of their masks, and even artists.
that's
So
right.
there's going to be a lot of brand endorsement with regards to masks also,
Yeah,
and we're
yeah,
going to
yeah. But
see.
I feel we should have a full mask of your own face. As kids हम लोग पहनते थे ना वो इलास्टिक
Yeah,
वाला
yeah, 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 yeah.
अपना ही face. I mean it would I guess serve the purpose.
It will serve the purpose.
Okay, so we are like
Definitely.
hi Vinay Rora lovers hi. Oh, Vinay Rora. Vinay Rora was my co-actor in बड़ी दूर से आए.
Oh, namaste,
Yeah.
namaste, everyone. Welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have everyone on board. And a lot of my friends were so excited because we all have been fans of Sarabhai versus Sarabhai. And Dr. Sahil is
Yeah.
over here. And wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. And that's
Yeah.
really a treat for everyone. So, first of all, how are you doing in these times as an actor, as a person, as an artist, whatever you call it?
I we all are going through a low because of this lockdown. I mean, Feb I shot for a film. After that, till July I wasn't shooting anything. I was just uh, cleaning vessels and mopping floors and with of course with my family.
Mm-hmm.
But then I've always been a family man. I've always because I've seen my dad do all this. So as kids, we all come from a very typical middle class
Yeah,
background,
yeah.
right? We are not born with silver spoons in our mouth. और नेपोटिज्म का स्टैंप हमारे सर पर बिल्कुल नहीं लग सकता. So I've seen my dad do the झाड़ू पोछा and do the cooking and मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे यार, तो इसमें मैं कुछ अलग बात नहीं बता रहा हूँ, but I feel that it helps you as you grow, as you have kids. So you know, it really helped me, and I've always told my kids that see, this is what is family. We all belong to a very close knit. I mean, we are brought up in a very close knit circuit.
Unit. Yeah, yeah.
It's not the American way of life where, you know, kids sleep in the different room. As because I've seen as babies, kids are kept in a different room and the mom and dad sleep in a different room. लेकिन हमारे पास एक तो जगह की कमी थी ना, हमारे यहाँ पे कहाँ पे इतने बड़े बड़े घर होते हैं.
True
वन
that. True
बेडरूम
that.
हॉल किचन में हम रहते तो मम्मी पापा के साथ ही हम भी सोते थे.
Yeah, yeah.
सो ये एक अलग तरह की बॉन्डिंग है, एंड आई फील दैट किड्स शुड नो द वैल्यू ऑफ मनी, किड्स शुड नो द वैल्यू ऑफ लाइफ, kids should know the value of basically every all the small things. So yes, we all used to do the household work, and then I'm very lucky that this lockdown never got to me, because I feel that there are many things in life to do besides acting. Acting is just, I would say, 3% or 4% of your life.
Absolutely.
You shouldn't. One thing I've learned from my dad and from my mom is that do not give much importance to yourself. That's the basic thing.
I so
आप
agree.
कुछ आप एक्टर हो गए तो आपके हाथ आसमान छू रहे हैं और आप ये हो गए हो, बिल्कुल नहीं है. आप एक नॉर्मल इंसान हो, आप एक किरदार निभाते हो, वो किरदार निभाने के बाद आप सुमित राघवन बन जाते हो. तो किरदार इतना होता है, सुमित राघवन इतना बड़ा होता है. तो ये जो है ना, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So don't take your profession seriously. I'm talking in a different sense. हाँ, काम बहुत जरूरी है. Be dedicated, be passionate towards your work, take your work seriously. लेकिन जो उसके साथ जो baggage आता है ना, don't be bogged down or
Absolutely.
don't be be very
Absolutely.
normal. So this is what my parents have told me, and this is what I've been passing on to my kids. So luckily, this lockdown hasn't really bothered me. So अभी जुलाई में से वापस वी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग फॉर एड फिल्म्स, और मेरी एक फिल्म का एक दिन का काम बचा हुआ था जो फरवरी में हमने शूट की थी फिल्म. वी वर सपोज्ड टू शूट दैट इन दुबई, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली नाउ वी शॉट इन पूना.
Yeah, okay.
तो अभी वीएफएक्स पे हम लोग दुबई दिखाएंगे. बट जोक्स अपार्ट, this lockdown has been very good. I mean, we normally ऐसा वक्त नहीं मिलता आपके परिवार के साथ.
Absolutely. Yeah, yeah.
And plus, my son is a pianist. He's into music.
Wow.
I sing a bit. I play the harmonium. तो गाना बजाना उसमें
The
थक
whole
जाते हैं.
family is now together after a long
जिंदगी
time.
मिलके बिताएंगे,
Yeah, yeah,
हाले
yeah.
दिल गा के सुनाएंगे.
बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब. यही ना, जब मैं सुनता हूँ लोगों से दैट लॉकडाउन में मैंने ये किया जो मैं करना चाहता था बहुत सालों से, बहुत दिनों से, लेकिन नहीं कर सका क्योंकि काम इतना होता है, ट्रैवलिंग इतना होता है. कोई भी आपका प्रोफेशन हो, जैसे आप कहते हैं कि
Right.
मैं एक्टर हूँ, कुछ भी हूँ, but the very fact that you're spending time with your family, and you know, I tell this to people that is it wrong if I say that this is the best time I'm living, because I'm actually
Absolutely.
exploring so many things that I never
Absolutely.
thought I could do. And
Right.
COVID-19 has definitely taught me things about myself to introspect. You know, that is an amazing thing. So today's theme is about being multifaceted. Now, I, like millions of other fans of yours, think that you have an element in you which makes you multifaceted, which makes you multi-talented. But I also feel on the other side that every artist has an element which makes him multifaceted, multi-talented. So after so many years of experience, after so much of work, can you tell, do you think that an artist has the potential to offer more than what he believes or thinks?
I wouldn't just limit this question to the artist in me. I would extend it to, as I said, for me, trying to be a perfect human being is more important than being a perfect artist, because you can be, I mean, for an actor, there are many things which first is your grasp, your dedication, your inclination. Lot of things go hand in hand, and plus you need to have that aptitude to be a good actor, to be a good singer, to be a good writer. और ये हर एक के बस की बात होती नहीं है. हमारे यहाँ पे
बिल्कुल.
क्लासेस होते हैं, एक्टिंग स्कूल्स हैं, सिंगिंग स्कूल्स हैं, टू ब्रश अप दैट. बट एंड वहां पे ऑप्शंस होते हैं. चलो आज मुझे सुमित्रा को नहीं, ठीक नहीं यार, हाँ तो रोहन को लेते हैं इस रोल के लिए. सो यू सी you have a replacement, but when it comes to a human being, I feel there is no replacement. You have to be a good human being, period. अच्छा एक्टर होना वो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. You see, अच्छा एक्टर ग्रूम होते होते होता है, या फिर अच्छा एक्टर होता ही नहीं है. There are many actors हमारे इर्द गिर्द जो सालों से काम कर रहे हैं, बट वो हैं.
बात जमीन.
You see, right? But there is no option for not being a good human being. So मुझे ऐसा लगता
Very
है
true.
कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you have to just extend your boundaries. So multifaceted में अच्छा एक्टर है. Okay, I can sing a bit, I can mimic, I can do couple of other things, I can dance, I can whatever, something else, and I'm also a good human being. So it adds to my entire
Personality.
repertoire, you know.
Yeah.
So personality, because I would like to be remembered as a good human being. That is very much important for me. Actor तो कर ही लेते हैं यार, acting कर लेते हैं. It's no big deal. I mean, somebody was asking me, how did you do Hamlet? And what was your experience while doing Hamlet? And there's such huge soliloquies. How did you by heart? I mean, that is, I'm really not enamored, or I'm not. Yes, I did Hamlet. I mean, the basic qualification for an actor is to know his lines by heart.
Yeah.
So मैंने, आप दो पेजेस डायलॉग्स कैसे बोलते हो? मैंने कहा भैया इसी के तो पैसे मिलते हैं यार. तो इतना तो बेसिक आना ही चाहिए ना. But then I think that after actor हूं मैं, जैसा मैंने कहा कि आपको इंसान अच्छा बनना है, इंसान के साथ साथ आप समाज के लिए क्या कर रहे हो ये भी उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं सिर्फ एक्टर हूं और मैं सिर्फ एक्टिंग करूंगा और मैं मर्सिडीज खरीदूंगा और मैं एक 4 बेडरूम के 10 फ्लैट लूंगा और मैं प्रॉपर्टी लूंगा. नो, दैट इज नॉट माय इंटेंशन. माय इंटेंशन इज टू use my name to do something positive in life, to do something good for my society. You see, then I might go out and help somebody. I might have adopted a leopard in.
Yeah, I've heard that. That's a significant move.
Because
Absolutely.
I thought that then I'd gone to meet the farmers of there's this village called परली वैजनाथ, एक गांव है बीड़ जिले में. इट इज सपोज टू बी द एपिसेंटर ऑफ अ ड्राउट. यू नो, जब भी सूखा आता है तो वहां पे सबसे भयंकर सूखा आता है. सो फिर वहां पर क्या चेंजेस किए, हमारे एक दोस्त है मयंक गांधी, उन्होंने क्या चेंजेस किए और उन्होंने 12.25 लाख फ्रूट ट्रीज प्लांट की वहां पर. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड बाय ऑल दीज थिंग्स कि हाउ डू यू हेल्प ईच अदर. You see, how do you help not just humanity, but what do you do for that smallest denominator who contributes in your food chain?
Very true. I think to sum up this question, I would just like to say this to everyone, because I do believe in what you said. I'm far too junior, but then I feel that the principles that apply to you also apply to me in a way. So humanity, there is nothing bigger than humanity, and that is what is going to give you the fruits, and that is definitely going to give you an opportunity to find out what all you can actually do, you know.
Right.
And that is the real art inside you, which comes through your humanity. That is absolutely the right thing. Second thing is, you know, as children, we tend to explore a lot of things. You know, we are very inquisitive. बहुत सी चीजें होती हैं, हम देखते हैं, हमें लगता है हमें भी करना चाहिए, या फिर ऐसे होता है कि ये देखते हैं मम्मी ये क्या है, पापा ये क्या है. So as a child, what all you tried to explore when it came to art per se?
Well, there was I didn't have a background. I have nobody who is from this field, okay? Not from my mom's side, not from my dad's side. So ये जो भी करना था, ये वो होता है कि अंधेरे में मैं ऐसे ऐसे चल रहा हूँ. I don't know कि whether I'm going the right path, whether I'm going the right way. But with the help of my parents, I mean, they have played a significant part in uh, where I am today. So I really, really cannot thank them enough for whatever they have done, for their foresight, for their vision. I mean, just imagine in the mid 80s when they thought that okay, our son is going to be in this field. So what all does he require to do? He requires to learn dance. Okay, so they put me for a Bharatnatyam class. He
Oh,
requires to learn
really?
Western. Yeah,
Oh,
he
wow.
requires to learn Western. So they put me. They used to take me to one uncle called Dikuna, who used to stay at VT Fort,
Okay.
who used to teach me, the couple used to teach me Jive, Cha Cha Cha, Ramba Samba, Foxtrot.
Wow, wow, wow,
Then
wow,
the
wow.
Bharatanatyam classes used to be at Matunga. Then they thought that no, there shouldn't be ऐसे वो जब बात करेगा तब ऐसे नहीं लगना चाहिए कि कोई मराठी एक्सेंट है या कोई साउथ इंडियन टोन है तो फिर उर्दू के क्लासेस शुरू किए
Oh,
दिस आई या so I mean this was all because of my parents and I'm so glad that they were so aware. उनका कोई लेना देना नहीं है इस फील्ड से. उनको लगा कि हाँ इसको फाइट भी सीखनी चाहिए. सो आई यूज्ड टू गो टू लर्न फाइट, हॉर्स राइडिंग. बाद में सरोज जी के असिस्टेंट थे पूर्णा सर के यहाँ मैं फिल्मी डांस सीखता था सत्यम क्लासेस में जुहू में.
अरे वाह.
सो हाँ तो ये सब कुछ किया है क्योंकि उन्हें लगा कि हमारा बेटा जो है वो आगे चल के फिल्मों में हीरो बनेगा. वो खैर वो हुआ नहीं, वो बात अलग है. बट
Oh,
यू
come
नो
on.
सॉरी
Come on. No, no way. You can't say that.
नो बट यू नो एक होता है ना कि ओके ये एक स्टीरियोटिपिकल हीरो है जो कुछ कुछ होता है ये सब
Hi,
करेगा
hi.
और वो करेगा. बट आई वाज equipped. That's what
Yeah,
I'm coming to.
exactly.
You see, you shouldn't be कि अरे हाँ ठीक है यार एक्टिंग ना हो जाएगा ऐसे नहीं होता.
ऐसे नहीं होता.
एक्टिंग इज नॉट इजी.
No, no,
वेरी
no, no.
इट इज स्किल्ड आर्ट. तो इसीलिए जब आज देखता हूँ कि ढेर सारे चैनल्स आए हैं, ढेर सारे लड़के लड़कियां काम कर रहे हैं, विच इज गुड, विच इज एब्सोल्युटली गुड. बट देन इफ यू हैव टू सर्वाइव, इफ यू हैव टू improve your or improve your longevity or shelf life, you have to really be dedicated, and you have to know the art. It is not about just acting. अच्छा ये कैमरा है ओके हाँ अगेन इट वेरीज. आज मैं थिएटर कर रहा हूं तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि ओके क्या क्या करना है, यहाँ पर किस लिमिट तक मुझे एक्सप्रेशन देने हैं. या आई मीन इट ऑफ कोर्स ये पहले इसमें नहीं आता, ये अनुभव से आता है, एक्सपीरियंस से ही आता है. बट
बिल्कुल.
आई थिंक यू नीड टू अपडेट योर सेल्फ. द थिंग विद लॉट ऑफ पीपल इज दैट यू गेट स्टक अप. आप एक कुछ अच्छा कर जाते हो, देन यू कीप ऑन बास्किंग इन द ग्लोरी. यू नो you
Oh,
just
that's
rest on
so
your
true.
laurels.
That is so
I
true.
feel that that's when you need to, that's the wake up call. Okay, अभी मैंने ये किया है, okay, इसके आगे जाना है. I mean, just look at Sachin Tendulkar. I always, or Bachchan Saab. After every 50, I mean, just see where Sachin is. You know, did he take his success for granted? No.
No, no, no.
He toiled. Each and every bone in his body, each and every muscle in his body must have gone through wear and tear. But after that, one becomes
The
Sachin
level.
Tendulkar.
Yeah. Very
सेम विद
agree.
बच्चन साहब कि इतना किया है, इतनी चोटें खाई हैं, इतने सीरियस हेल्थ इश्यूज हैं, बट आज भी ही कीप्स ऑन अपडेटिंग. आप उस दौर के, आज कोई भी एक्टर देखिए, आज कोई नहीं है उस दौर का. बच्चन साहब के इरा का आज एक भी एक्टर
Yes,
नहीं
yes,
है,
yes, yes,
जबकि
yes.
बच्चन
Very
साहब
true.
आज
Very
भी
true.
हैं. एंड ही इज इवॉल्विंग, ही इज लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स. टेक्नो savvy तो है ही, बट एज एन एक्टर मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि यू हैव टू, जैसे हमारे फोन्स में होता है ना,
Updation.
एप्पल स्टोर होता है या प्ले स्टोर होता है ना, आप अपडेट करते रहते हो, उसी तरह आप अपने आप को भी अपडेट करते रहना बहुत जरूरी है.
And only then you actually remain amar, you know. the very fact, and that is Bachchan
Yeah,
Saab's example that you have given. Whenever I
yeah.
look, whenever I look at him, his films in the 70s or even today, major advertisements you can see
Hmm.
Bachchan Saab promoting the brands, and the reason is he's Amar, as you said, that he has updated himself. उन्होंने वो
Yeah,
सीख ली है कि किस दौर में हमें कैसे हमारा पर्सनालिटी हमारी होनी चाहिए, कैसे चेंजेस हमें करने चाहिए, all of that. And
absolutely,
that is, yeah, that is inevitable in a way for an artist. Definitely you have to
absolutely.
do it, and you gain respect. And Sachin Tendulkar's level, you can reach that level, and
I mean, at
when
least
you
you should
reach that.
try to reach it. You can't reach there. I mean, I'm talking about myself. क्योंकि वो एक अलग level है. But these are the inspirations in life. Lata Mangeshkar, the kind of
Oh,
struggle that these, and you know what? I belong to a different generation altogether.
yeah, yeah.
But I tell my kids the same thing. My son is your age. I mean, he's 20. He'll be 24 next month. So I tell him the same thing that just do whatever you want, but see to it that you take you dive deep. Don't be on the surface. You dive deep.
That's the thing. We see the tip of the iceberg actually. We don't see the intricacies. We don't see so many things, and that is, I just realized that I'm keeping on asking you about multifaceted, multi-talented, and all of these things, but you actually cannot understand that unless and until you actually dive inside. When unless and until
Mm-hmm.
you actually go inside, and with the humanitarian attitude with along with
Mm-hmm.
that, वो बहुत जरूरी है. Unless and until, otherwise there are people who are like मैंने ये किया है, मैंने वो किया है, बताते हैं सिर्फ. ऐसे भी
That
होता
is
है.
all very all superficial. And also again there are two things of diving inside. One is inside you. You need
Yeah.
to dive inside. So there are many untapped things in yourself. कि हाँ ये करना है हमको ये करना है. And then of course बाहरी चीजें तो हैं ही. You get a role. You work hard on that role. You try to be different in each role. You try to bring something out. You try to get. You always have to be an asset. That's what I've learned. Because when you do television, it's a thankless job because uh, you keep on shooting. You keep on shooting. You really the writer, poor guy, he keeps on writing stuff. You just look at the script and you just say कि अरे यार ये क्या लिखा है यार, नहीं नहीं इसमें मजा नहीं आया. It's very easy to say that. अरे
Yeah.
मजा नहीं आया तो इसलिए आपको हायर किया ना, तो लाइए मजा इसमें, कीजिए ऐसा
Yeah.
कुछ जिससे मजा आए लोगों को. I mean वो बेचारा कितना लिखेगा यार. He has to write 25 episodes a month. So that's where your expertise, your knowledge, your observation, your sensitivity and your sensibility comes into play.
Absolutely, absolutely. That brings me to one very important question I wanted to ask you. There is there some impeccable art within you which we're not aware of? We have seen you singing. We have seen you in some really good advertisements as the lead model. We have seen you as an actor. But we don't know certain things which definitely your family knows. And would you like to share with us what is that?
I don't know. I mean, still, if there's anything else which needs to come out
You know,
of me,
you
I still don't know.
just at the start you were telling us that you in the lockdown you were cleaning and you were cooking. I think
Yeah,
cleaning
yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
cooking, cleaning per se is an art, and
I,
cleaning is
I
something
love to
I am
cook.
passionate about.
Yeah, I love to cook, and yeah, I used to cook a lot during the lockdowns because that's the best thing to do.
I know.
Nothing to beat cooking, yeah. मतलब
It is so positive.
it is therapeutic,
It
It
is
it
therapeutic,
gives
absolutely.
it calms you down. आपको और जब आपकी बनाई हुई चीज कोई खाता है और बाद में उसका एक्सप्रेशन
I
कि
know.
वाओ, हाँ हाँ
Yeah.
हाँ हाँ, क्या चाहिए.
Absolutely. The one reason why I like to cook is because I want to see the people who eat. जब
Yeah.
वो देखते हैं, and they need not say anything, but their expressions are going to tell it everything, and the soul, it's going to be like very proud and rejuvenated and
Yeah.
everything, and that
Yeah.
is an amazing thing. So cooking तो है. Cooking में आप क्या क्या खाना बनाते हैं? I just want to. I'm very
I
inquisitive about
I'm
it.
I mean I love to cook non-veg. I love to cook veg. I like to experiment. तो फिर I mean it could be मतलब सांबार जैसी चीज, because I am a South Indian. I can I've eaten the best. मतलब लोग बोलते हैं ना, सर आप इस होटल में जाइए और यहाँ का इडली वड़ा खाइए और यहाँ पे सांभर चटनी खाइए. So I'm like, dude, मेरे घर में जो बनता है ना, मेरी माँ जो सांभर रसम बनाती है ना, मतलब वो अलग अलग लेवल है, वो
I can
अलग
understand that.
लेवल है.
I can
हाँ.
understand that. And
So
I remember, yeah, I remember once, because I come from a pure Maharashtrian family and from a Brahmin family. So हमारे घर में मोदक बनाना, puran
हम्म
poli and everything is like a very normal thing. And my
हम्म
friend from Delhi, he's telling me,
हम्म.
Rohan, you come to Delhi, मैं अच्छी puran poli खिलाने वाला हूँ तुम्हें. And I'm like, okay, घर पे आजा, वो लेके आजा, फिर देखते हैं.
वो कंपेयर
Another
करते
thing
थे.
in Germany, now this is the Indian perspective I'm telling you. In Germany, I had been to this place called English Garden, if you know it,
हम्म.
in Munich. And वहाँ पे there was a cafe. And guess what was the delicacy I was having? It was it was mango lassi over there.
मतलब यार, मतलब वहां पर जाकर इंडियन शर्ट खरीदने जैसा है ना, मेड इन इंडिया
I
वाला
know.
शर्ट खरीदने जैसा है.
But that is so फिर भी normal. But mango lassi was
हाँ
not normal. And they also sell chai over there, chai latte and everything over there. And I told one
हाँ
of the
हाँ.
women that, this is actually from my country, and she didn't understand a word what I said. And like जाने दो, अच्छी बात है, समझ में नहीं आया, because समझने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Anyway,
You
so
should
this
tell
is
them,
a
you should
nice
have
thing.
told them that let me enter the kitchen. I'll make proper chaha for you.
चहा करून देईन तुम्हाला.
Chaha करून देतो तुला.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So
So
yeah, so all
yeah.
these things I like to do. I like to experiment a lot in the kitchen, and I also like to do some exotic dishes. तो फिर Nature's Basket जाकर या food hall जाकर, I like to pick up some sauces and some veggies and then some prawns and then make something out
Oh
of it.
wow,
Yeah. So ऐसा
amazing.
चलते रहता है. But I basically I'm a foodie. You see. I've got a sweet tooth. तो तो फिर चॉकलेट से पेस्ट्रीज हैं और फिर ये सारी चीजें अभी ब्रेड्स हैं, तो आई लव टू, मुझे अभी वो ट्राई करना है, एक दिन ब्रेड बेक करना है, केक भी बनाना है. सो
Oh,
ऐसी
baking is
काफी.
again therapeutic. That's what I've heard.
Absolutely. So my whenever I go out for shoots, you enter the room and then there's nothing to do, so the favorite channel is TLC.
Yeah.
या आप वो देखते रहो, वॉच द कुकरी शोज एंड जस्ट कंप्लीट फूडgasm.
Oh my God, that's so much like me. I love to watch TLC and on those, even
या
we
या
have
या
such kind of shows on Netflix now,
या
in which they take us around the world to find out delicacies and how
राइट
they are made and everything. That is
राइट.
therapeutic, and I'm sure you love to try all of those things home. और लॉकडाउन में बहुत कुछ किया भी होगा. Yeah,
ये करते रहता हूँ.
definitely.
आई
Yes,
ट्राई
yes.
टू मेक दैट.
Sumit sir, so if I'm not wrong, that's what I heard from my dad. I wanted to ask you. So you're Raghuvan, so that is Tamil, correct?
तमिल.
But then, is
दैट्स
your mother Maharashtrian?
सॉरी.
Your mother is Maharashtrian?
नो, माय मदर इज Kannadiga. शी इज फ्रॉम कर्नाटक.
Oh,
Dad is a Tamilian, but yes, she is. But she speaks. All my uncle and aunts, my maushis and mamas, they all speak Marathi. And when they shifted to Mumbai in mid 50s, I guess,
okay,
my grandfather was transferred from Solapur to Mumbai
okay.
in the CID branch of Mumbai. They were staying at Vadala, and my mamas, maushis, they went to Balmohan Vidya Mandir, and
Oh,
and they have a house in Shivaji Park. So full
Marathi. Yeah,
full
Marathi
complete
influence
Marathi
होगा.
Vatavaran. And that's how then so there are many languages spoken in my house. There is Tamil, there is Kannada, there is Marathi, there is Hindi, and there is English.
That is
So there
again
are these
multifaceted. Yeah. Languages maybe there's a lot multilingual.
multilingual, complete uh, unity and diversity in my house.
Have you ever tried learning any foreign language?
I tried learning German.
Oh,
I
Deutsch.
used to, yeah. I used to go to Max Muller Bhavan. We used to have our German classes in Catering College on Cuddle Road.
Okay.
And I'm talking about mid 80s, and then I had given my exam when so the exam was at Max Muller Bhavan next to Jahangir Art Gallery.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, and yeah, so foreign languages, yes, German and of course Urdu. Urdu is not a foreign language. Urdu हमारी भाषा है.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, I like to learn languages. I personally feel that it's a best way to uh, um, what do you say, to cut the distance between two people, to shorten
That
the
is
distance.
absolutely true. Because now I've been to Europe, I've been to places where English is not the primary spoken language, but
Yeah,
they do speak English because a lot of tourists and all of that. But then the moment you speak something in their language, you have to
yeah,
see their faces. You
yeah,
have to,
exactly.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So because we had been to Fifi Islands last year in June, so we got this pamphlet of saying how are you, and then in that language,
Hi,
say blah blah
hi.
blah,
Okay.
and then that. So I used to take that and okay, now what
Okay.
I want to eat, and then in their language,
Yeah.
So I used to say, "Allahu Akbar," and then they say, "Oh, wow, come, come."
That's amazing.
So
That's
it's
I would
pretty
like to
happy.
try that. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely, definitely. Sumit sir, how I put down one point in the introduction before I actually joined you over here was that no doubt that you're radiant, you are full of life, enthusiastic. But what actually is the mantra that you always look young, ever young?
I think it's nothing but thanks to my jeans, not the one that I'm wearing now, but the one I have, which I got from my mom and dad. And secondly, I think there is no option to exercising. Dieting, writing, तो सब ठीक है, but I think you have to exercise every
Yeah,
day, which I do. I exercise for 45 minutes every day. Yeah, I don't skip that. And it is not that I do weights because I can never look muscular. And I hate looking, I
yeah,
wouldn't like to see myself all beefed up and,
yeah.
you
I
know,
say,
no.
I say. Yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
so you need, but I keep a watch on the weighing scale, and I do a lot of functional and a lot of body weight exercises. So
Great, great, great.
yeah.
Yeah, so
So
yeah,
in this
that's
entire
yeah.
5 months of lockdown, I have skipped only 5 times, but otherwise 175 days I've been working out, or whatever, 145 days every day.
That's very inspiring. That's extremely inspiring. Guys, if you want to look young like Sumit Raghavan, then follow his advice.
No,
Don't even skip
seriously,
those
seriously.
5 days, okay? Okay.
No, seriously. You have to exercise, guys. You have to exercise. And then I don't believe in controlling diet, but yes, now I'm turning 50. Next April, I'll be 50. So
That's so hard to
I,
believe.
uh, I think that there are some things which you automatically need to cut off from your list. So yeah, I'm slowly, gradually. But I love sweet. I love to eat non-veg. तो अब ये कैसे बंद करूं मैं? तो ये बंद नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन कम करूंगा, है ना?
Definitely. Compensate that with a lot of
कॉम्पनसेट
exercise.
करो. आप
Yeah.
मर मर के एक्सरसाइज करो और फिर खाओ,
True,
चीट
true,
करो,
true.
फिर चलता है.
Definitely. Sumit sir, even I've tried to explore a lot of things within me. चाहे
Right.
वो acting हो, मेरी पढ़ाई होने के बाद I tried a lot. Like dancing was one thing. It was something I had been doing since a
Yeah,
kid
yeah, you
because
dance
my
very well.
thank you. My mother is a Kathak dancer, and that's how I didn't
Yeah.
venture into Kathak, but I ventured into even I've learned Latin American dance forms. I've taught them. I've
Oh wow,
learned, Western or Bollywood style dance forms, everything.
wow.
वो हो गया उसके बाद एक्टिंग में मैंने I tried a lot. I did some workshops, then I did a couple of projects. Then
Hmm.
voicing I have been doing since I was a kid. That is like my bread and butter at the moment. So even I have
Hmm.
been into this phase that I want to
Your
try a
dad
lot
is
of.
such a wonderful voicing artist.
Yes, 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 definitely, definitely. And that's he's like the strong pillar, you know. So even I've tried to be, multifaceted, tried to be tried my hand at everything that I could feel like I could do. So as a piece of advice, what do you think? as a multifaceted artist, if I do aspire to become, what are the elements? Is it sensitivity that has to be in me? Is it that I should observe people around me? Is it that I should always have the urge to try something new? Or is it
Absolutely.
something else? What do you think?
You've answered your question. I mean, it's all of that you just said. As actors, we don't have a pattern of a riyaz. Okay. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so what does an actor do? I mean, I can't be waking up in the morning and doing Hamlet soliloquies. No,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
Hamlet वो एक फेज था, वो हो चुका है. अब आगे कल को एक किसी अंधाधुन वाला कैरेक्टर आ जाए, अंधा कैरेक्टर आ जाए, या कोई बहरा कैरेक्टर आ जाए, या एक नॉर्मल कैरेक्टर आ जाए बट कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर आ जाए. So that Hamlet thing is not going to work here. So then that's when I think you to keep your eyes open. You have to, um, if you could read, if you are into reading, then you should read some very good autobiographies. You should. Oh, sorry.
there's a connection problem. That's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Here we are again. Yes.
Yeah. So, and uh, observation is the most important thing. I suppose you need to observe a lot. You need to what do you do? I think, yeah. Besides that, I feel there are many things which you, because you are into voicing, uh, there are voicing exercises too. Because I mean, Prasad would be in a better position to say, because I used to do a lot of voicing in the
Mm-hmm.
90s. Um, we used to dub a lot of English films like Braveheart and Die Hard, and I used to be the voice of Chris Tucker. So Rush Hour 1, Rush Hour 2, Fifth Element, ये बहुत सारी फिल्में हमने डब की हैं. A lot of cartoon films I've dubbed, but then it started to strain my voice,
Yeah, yeah.
and then that's when I stopped completely. But I feel you should. There are so many things to see. I mean, if you are see you do voicing, you dance, you're an actor. So I guess all these things, basically, passion is more important, Rohan. Whatever you do, because उसका कोई है ही नहीं यार पर्याय. आप
I know, I
passion
know.
is passion is and always be hungry, and that's why don't overburden yourself with work. Money is very important. Listen to one thing: money is primary, but it is not the be all
The
end
cardinal
for.
thing
No,
for your
it is
spirit.
not. It is not. You need to curb temptation. You need to have that um, uh, state. You need to attain that state where you can let go. कि नहीं करना है मुझे ये काम. For the simple reason, because it is not going to take me anywhere. I've done this 3 years back, so let me not do this again. Let me move ahead in life. नहीं आ रहा है काम, okay, fine. I'll do something else. Play the waiting game. I feel you need to play the waiting game. And that's why I said now you need to keep yourself fit, as the great Dr. Lagu used to say that this is your instrument. ये imagine this is the ढोल, okay, जो ढोल बजाते हैं.
Yeah,
अब
yeah,
वो ढोल आपको कैसे बजाना है वो आपके ऊपर है.
yeah, yeah.
आपको हर रोज बजाना है तो वो ढोल फट जाएगा. हाँ, तो आपको you have to be very choosy. You have to उस उसकी उसको जतन करके रखना है. That's, I mean, it's got a very big meaning.
Very
An
much.
actor should be an athlete philosopher. What does that mean? Athlete, as in, आ गया उसमें exercise. You
Yeah.
have to be fit.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Philosopher, you need to know all the things that are going around you. ना कि बस मुझे सिर्फ ये रोल ही करना है ना. An actor has to be alert. An actor has to know all the things that are. You cannot be a typical bimbet. You need to be clever. You need to You need to read. You need to know what's going on in the society. You need to. I don't mean to say that you need to be master of everything, but you need to know a bit about everything. You know,
Yes.
and so that's how it will help you in your cause.
That's amazing. That's I just felt like this will go on and on and on what you were trying to tell me, and I'm sure that you've read a lot when it came to athlete philosophy. It's a very interesting
Yeah,
term. I'd never heard that, but that's amazing, and
yeah,
we'll definitely talk about that sometime later. Before we actually wrap up, there are two requests from my side. First
yeah.
is, I've grown up watching this TV commercial of yours for Imperial Blue, if I'm not wrong, in which
Oh, huh.
yeah, in which
Yeah.
you it is so humorous, in which you're trying to you're addressing your wife actually, that you're talking to your
Rose
friend
Darling वाली.
actually. Yeah.
हाँ,
So that rose thing, could you
हाँ.
just enact it once? वो क्या कहते हैं वो, that thing, just this once, yeah, like,
अभी थोड़ा मुश्किल है बट वो होता है ना वो आ,
क्या
अरे यार जिसमें वो जो खुशबू देता है वो क्या क्या होता है वो
साबुन
ना 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 यार हाँ जिसपे कांटे होते हैं, कांटे
कांटे गुलाब
रोज डार्लिंग कल
That was amazing. That was amazing. I used to burst out laughing, and every time if I'm watching the television, I used to like, नहीं नहीं mute करू नका please. ती मला ad बघायची आहे. Every time. Great, great. Thanks a lot for that. And second thing, I've heard you singing. You're one of the best male singers I've ever seen. Now,
अरे
I
बाप रे
am a huge fan of Lata Mangeshkar, first of all, Lata Didi, and all those singers in that era. And I have heard your voice. I think you've sung for Kishore Kumar's songs, or I don't remember
या
actually.
या
That was a long time back. But then, could you just कोई झलक एक पंक्ति या कुछ तो आप गा सकते हैं? Any song.
क्या गाए ओके चल लता दीदी का नाम है तो माँ सरस्वती का गाया हुआ एक गाना गाने की कोशिश करता हूं मैं
Goosebumps.
आज अगर भर आई है बूंदे बरस जाएंगी कल क्या पता इनके लिए आंखें तरस जाएंगी तो जाने कब गुम हुआ कहाँ खोया एक आंसू छुपा के रखा था तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ हो हैरान हूँ तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ ओ परेशान हूँ ओ परेशान हूँ
वाह वाह, मैं बिल्कुल परेशान नहीं हूँ, बिल्कुल नहीं. छोटे
तेरे
सवाल
मासूम
आए बड़े
सवालों से
सवाल.
परेशान हूँ मैं नहीं परेशान नहीं हूँ मैं
बिल्कुल
तेरे
नहीं,
अच्छे
बिल्कुल
सवालों
नहीं.
से हैरान हूँ मैं
बहुत हैरानगी इस बात की है कि जिंदगी का कोई मजा नहीं ले रहा है. यू नो
राइट
जिंदगी जो है अभी, इंस्टेड ऑफ कंप्लेनिंग, उसका मजा ले लो. और इसी गाने के साथ साथ आई थिंक वील रैप अप दिस सेशन, बिकॉज
थैंक यू
that's an amazing नोट टू स्टॉप. ये गाना हम दोहराएंगे इस गाने के बारे में. और thanks a lot.
थैंक
You
यू
have an amazing
थैंक यू
voice,
सो मच
and I really want to meet you again once this COVID-19 it goes away. We've met, I
या
think,
वी
a
विल
year back or so. But yeah, we'll have a
100%
conversation again. And thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks, guys. See you, Sumit sir.
बाय बाय
Take
बाय
care,
यू टेक केयर
everyone. Bye bye.
लॉट्स ऑफ लव बाय